My name is Lindsay Abel. I'm currently an academic specialist at my local community college. I work for a program that serves low-income and first-generation college students. I have found it to be my dream job, but the first 5 years of my career, I began in the classroom as a high school Spanish teacher. And so everything that I'm going to talk about today, I'm speaking from the point of view of while I was still in the classroom and referencing those 5 years that I spent working with high school students. So my first project today is my Showcase Leadership Project. This was originally my Management and Motivation project from EDU 631. And that was a class and a project that was really early on in my teaching career. And at the time, I was also really starting to understand the community that I live in and what the needs of our employers were, and started to see a disconnect between what employers were looking for and what we were actually doing in our classrooms. Um, and I'm sure that one of the common issues that a lot of teachers witness and struggle with is apathy. In fact, that year, apathy had gotten so bad in our school